All right, everybody. Today we're going to start working on a Grizzly screen, which is something we use here in the north to screen winter sand. Gets frozen since it's so cold, and screen will strain big frozen chunks out of the stuff, so then we can put it in our spreaders and spread traction sand on people's driveways. So I looked at buying one and they were like $5-6 grand, so decided we're gonna build one. So I ordered up the stuff. It's about $2,600 bucks worth of material, and we're gonna work on that. And I'm kind of overbuilding it, using 3/16 wall, 3-inch tubing, 1/4-inch angle iron, 1/4-inch plate. So it's gonna be pretty heavy when we get done. But so we'll go in the shop. The shop is absolutely packed with steel right now, so we'll go in there and start cutting. Shouldn't take more than a day or so to build, so we'll get started. Manufacture the pivot point now, so you can lift the screen up about a foot and a half with your bucket to shake off all the junk. So we're going to make a hinge point that runs along this. I use some thick wall square tubing on the ends, in the middle, and then our hinge point, so the inch solid rod. Feel that good? This will go inside it. Your other frame will be mounted to this, so it'll be able to spin. It'll all be welded in place, so you're never gonna shouldn't break. So this piece of channel is going to sit up on top at an angle, and the pieces of angle iron that come down here, the whole thing is going to be able to come up so you can dump crap off of it. So this is your hinge point, this 1.125" round solid stock. So the angle irons are going to be welded to this and welded to this. There's going to be a chain on each end cap of this attached somewhere so that it'll only go up so far before it comes back down. So there'll be a chain on each end. All the angle iron will be welded on it. It'll be sitting on top of those posts, and the angle iron will be welded onto this. Anywhere a piece of angle iron comes in contact with this anchor point, it's not going to be welded. It'll just slide anytime it opens. So I'm going to weld a couple pieces of angle iron on this, and we'll get it set up there, and we'll know what our angles are going to be. Alright, we're gonna try to load this thing up. First thing we're gonna do is get it spun around. I figure it weighs about 2,500 pounds. So we'll get it spun around. I brought the T650 and get it dragged up to the doorway and hopefully just hook into it and load it onto the trailer.